Hello, friends. This is Immigration Lawyer Robert West. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic of this video is how to avoid getting fined by ICE. But before we start, I just want to thank all the new viewers and subscribers to this YouTube channel. Really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It's free of charge. Also, feel free to comment, like, share. Let me know. Let me know if you've been fined. Let me know if you've been stopped and you've been asked for your immigration documents. Okay, let's get into this. So recently we did a video, I believe a short, explaining that you need to carry your immigration documents on you at all times when you're out in public. This means that if you're a permanent resident, you need your green card. If you're a visa holder, you need your visa. Okay, if you're a DACA recipient, you need your work permit or proof. Now, the one thing I would say, because of that new decision regarding DACA in the state of Texas, you're probably going to need to carry your approval notice for your DACA, because you're not going to be able to get a work permit. So this is for Texas only. For all you new DACA recipients and renewals, you're not going to have that. So you're going to need something to carry on you. Anyway, so if you get stopped and you don't have those documents, what can happen? One, there's a high probability they're going to take you into custody, and you're going to sit there for a very long period of time until they sort it out. Could be 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. It could be months. Okay, that's number one. Two, if they're able to sort it out, you're probably going to be fined. How do we know this? Because recently they've been fining people $130 for not having their immigration documents on them. And they've been giving people like 60 days to pay that fee. So the rules require you to carry your proofs at all times. Carry your immigration documents at all times, whether it's a green card, a visa, a work permit, something. Okay? ICE is not going to take your word for it. In fact, they've called many U.S. citizens who have had their proof on them liars. Liars. We made a video several months ago that if you can afford it and you're a U.S. citizen, buy a passport card. This is proof you're a U.S. citizen. ICE can yell at you and scream at you all they want, but in reality, it's still proof of your U.S. citizenship. It's like $30, and you got to pay for some, pay for your passport photos, which are like $15. So $45, you got a 10-year ID. If you get stopped, especially if you're Hispanic or you look not like your typical white American, these people will stop you without any reason other than the way you look. So just keep that in mind. That's what's been going on in the country for months now since Trump's become president. These racists are in charge. They're running the government, and they don't care about anything. They have no prohibition against them to break the law every day of the week and twice on Sundays. None whatsoever. So you have to take precautions. And the way to take precautions is you have your identification with you at all times. I know many clients that don't carry their work permit or green cards on them. And I am going to have to keep reminding them, you need to do that. All right? So that's what you're going to need to do, guys. That's going to be it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you want to avoid the fine, carry your immigration identification with you. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet to the YouTube channel, please subscribe. We need your help. Doesn't cost anything. Feel free to comment, like, share. If you need immigration assistance, You can always give us a call. Numbers on the screen. Be happy to try to assist you. We do most of the stuff that they do in all immigration offices. Green cards through marriage, citizenship, TN visas, waivers, all that good stuff. So give us a call, set up a consultation. Be happy to try to assist you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.